You don't suddenly become lazy at 3 p.m. Your body is running on a system and that system is breaking down. Most people blame themselves when their energy drops in the afternoon. They think it's lack of discipline, poor motivation, or just a bad habit. But the truth is much simpler. Your body is responding exactly the way it was programmed to respond. This daily energy crash is not random. It follows a pattern. And once you understand that pattern, you can start controlling it instead of fighting it. Let's break it down. The problem usually starts earlier than you think. It begins in the morning. When you wake up, your body releases cortisol, a hormone that helps you feel alert. That's why, even without coffee, you can feel relatively awake during the first few hours of the day. But what you do during this window matters more than most people realize. If your morning starts with a quick spike like sugary coffee drinks, refined carbs, or skipping a proper meal, you're setting yourself up for a crash later. These habits create a rapid increase in blood sugar, followed by a sharp drop. And when that drop hits, your energy goes with it. Around early afternoon, your body is already dealing with that drop. But there's something else happening at the same time. Your internal clock, your circadian rhythm, naturally reduces alertness during this period. It's a built-in dip. Even people with perfect habits experience a slight decrease in energy in the afternoon. Now combine both factors, unstable blood sugar and a natural dip in alertness. That's your crash. But it doesn't stop there. There's also the role of digestion. After lunch, your body redirects energy toward processing food. If your meal is heavy, high in simple carbs, or low in protein, digestion becomes even more demanding and your brain gets less energy as a result. That's why you feel slow, unfocused, and sometimes even sleepy after eating. And then there's dehydration. Even mild dehydration can reduce energy levels and concentration. Many people don't drink enough water throughout the day, and by the afternoon, the effect becomes noticeable. So now you have 4 factors working against you. Blood sugar fluctuations, natural circadian dip, digestive energy demand, dehydration. No wonder you feel exhausted. But here's where things get interesting. The afternoon crash is not something you have to accept. It's something you can redesign. The key is not to rely on quick fixes like more caffeine or sugar. Those only restart the same cycle. Instead, you need to stabilize your system. Start with your morning, a balanced breakfast, one that includes protein, healthy fats, and slow-digesting carbohydrates helps keep your blood sugar steady. This alone can reduce the intensity of the afternoon crash. Then look at your lunch. Instead of heavy, carb-loaded meals, focus on lighter portions with a balance of protein, fiber, and healthy fats. This reduces the digestive burden and keeps your energy more stable. Hydration is simple but powerful. Drinking water consistently throughout the day, not just when you feel thirsty, can significantly improve how you feel in the afternoon. And then there's movement. A short walk, even 5 to 10 minutes, can increase blood flow and oxygen levels, helping your body reset during that natural dip. You don't need an intense workout, just enough movement to wake your system back up. But here's the key insight most people miss. You don't eliminate the afternoon dip. You manage it. Your body is designed to slow down slightly during that time. The goal is not to fight biology, it's to work with it. Instead of scheduling your most demanding tasks during your lowest energy period, shift your focus. Use that time for lighter tasks, planning, or activities that don't require peak concentration. When you align your tasks with your energy levels, everything becomes easier. And when you support your body with the right inputs, food, hydration, and movement, you reduce the intensity of that dip to the point where it no longer feels like a crash. Just becomes a natural rhythm. That's the difference between constantly struggling through your day and moving through it with control. In the end, your energy is not random. It's predictable. And what's predictable can be improved. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel for more simple explanations like this, designed to help you understand how your body actually works and how to use that knowledge in a practical way. And if you want to take this a step further, check the description. There's a simple framework there that helps you organize your day around your natural energy patterns, so you can stay consistent without relying on motivation alone.